Today, we're comparing Ollama and LM Studio, two of the most popular local AI tools in 2025. Both let you run large language models directly on your laptop without sending data to the cloud. But the way they work and what they're best at are very different. On the left side of your screen, you'll see Ollama. Ollama focuses on simplicity. You just install it, pick a model, and start chatting instantly from your terminal or connected apps. It supports a wide range of open source models like Llama, Mistral, and Gemma, and it's optimized for Apple Silicon. So if you're on a Mac, Ollama runs incredibly smooth and efficient. On the right side, we have LM Studio. This tool is built for flexibility. Instead of just chatting, you get a full graphical interface where you can load, test, and switch models with one click. LM Studio supports local inference across Mac, Windows, and Linux, and it even lets you fine-tune prompts, adjust settings, and monitor GPU usage in real time. Here's the difference in action. On the left, Ollama is running a quick conversation with Mistral 7B, showing fast response times right from the terminal. On the right, LM Studio is loading the same model, but with detailed controls, temperature, max tokens, and system prompts, giving you fine-grained customization for more advanced workflows. So which one wins? If you want lightweight, terminal first speed, and easy integration with apps, Ollama is a fantastic choice. But if you prefer a desktop interface with full control, customization, and cross platform support, LM Studio takes the lead. The reality? Many AI enthusiasts use both Ollama for quick, no fuss chats, and LM Studio for deeper experimentation and tuning. With these tools, 2025 is proving that local AI isn't just possible, it's powerful, private, and ready to rival the cloud. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss my next AI comparison.